Assalamu alaikum dear students. M.Phill Zoology Entry Test Preparation जिसका ये लेक्चर नंबर 6 है. Natural selection changes allele frequencies because some survive and reproduce more successfully than others. Right option is individuals. Among followings, which taxon exhibits pronounced level of polyploidy? B option is right. Those are fishes. Fishes polyploidy का pronounced level perform करते हैं. Which group is composed entirely of individuals who maintained that species are fixed? D option is right. Aristotle, Linnaeus, and Mr. Cuvier. Next, during an individual organism's lifetime, which of these is most likely to help the organism respond properly to changes in its environment? Option C is right. Change in gene expression. Which term is the most suitable to describe a polyploid having its sets of chromosomes derived from different species? Right option is allopolyploidy. Which of Darwin's ideas had the strongest connection to Darwin, having read Malthus theory? The right option is C. Variation among individuals in a population. Which of the following pairs of structures is least likely to represent homology? The option is right. The wings of a bat and the arms of a human. आप याद रखिए होमोलॉजी के सेंस में फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर्स एक जैसी होती हैं, उनके फंक्शन सिमिलर होते हैं, लाइक द विंग ऑफ अ बैट एंड द आर्म ऑफ अ मैन. नेक्स्ट, व्हिच ऑफ दीज एवोल्यूशनरी एजेंट्स इज most consistent at causing populations to become better suited to their environments over the course of generations? That is the natural selection, and the option is right. Which among the following is an example of atavistic structures? That is appearance of tail in humans. याद रखिए, atavistic structures वो structure होती हैं जो एंसेस्टर्स में थी फिर अब्सेंट हो गई, बट मगर बहुत सारे गैप के बाद किसी एक जनरेशन या इंडिविजुअल में ये स्ट्रक्चर फिर रीअपेयर करती हैं. तो इंसानों के अंदर अमूमन टेल का कंसेप्ट एटाविस्टिक स्ट्रक्चर्स में लिया जाता है. टाइप ऑफ म्यूटेशन विच रिजल्ट्स इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ premature stop codon in a coding region of genome is termed as nonsense mutation. Which among the following can be best describe a mutation occurring in a non-coding region of genome, that is neutral variation? A option is right. Sexual selection occurring within a same population may ultimately leads to, that is sympatric speciation, and C option is right. Evolution that results from relationships between organisms is coevolution. B option is right. According to scientific estimates, the life in the cosmos came into being as earlier as 3.5 billion years ago. B option is right. According to the punctuated equilibrium model, new species accumulate unique features rapidly as they come into existence, then change little for the rest of their duration. So B option is right. इक्विलिब्रियम मॉडल के मुताबिक नई स्पीशीज जो किसी इलाके में मारे से वजूद में आती हैं उनके फीचर्स यूनिक होते हैं, मगर वक्त के साथ साथ लाइफ स्पॉन गुजरने के साथ साथ उनके यूनिक फीचर्स में थोड़ी बहुत चेंजेस भी आ सकती हैं. यह स्टेटमेंट इक्विलिब्रिया मॉडल की है. Microevolution can be best described as following. The option is right. Change in allele frequency of a population. Which of the following anatomical structures is homologous to bones in wing of a bird? C option is right. Bones in the flipper of a whale. Paleontology, the study of fossils, was developed by George Cuvier. A option is right. Which of the following must exist in a population before natural selection can act upon that population? A is genetic variation among individuals. A option is right. Group of organisms that have a common ancestor and some of its descendants. B option is right. Polyphyletic. Which of the following is true? Analogous structures result from convergent evolution is right. Structures that evolve from the same ancestral form through function may differ, that is homologous. Pattern of evolution in which two closely related populations gradually become more and more different, that is divergent evolution, and B option is right. Which of the following leads to speciation? Natural selection, yes. Favorable genotypes, yes. Adaptation, yes. So D option, all of these is right. Dash may add new genetic material to establish gene pool of a population is immigration. B option is right. Evolution of Homo sapiens is an example of macroevolution. Which of the following published his extensive studies of vertebrate fossils? That is George Cuvier. A option is right. Any selective force which pushes population towards median traits is stabilizing selection. A option is right. Form of selection that occurs when males compete for territories, that is sexual selection. Species which is naturally found only in a particular geographical area is endemic. B option is right. Type of reproductive isolation, when species breed during different time of a day or seasons, that is temporal isolation. B is right. Reduced hybrid viability occurs when genes of different parents interact in different ways. B option is right. Dash relies on the body shape of a species and other structural features. C option is right. Morphological species concept. Modern horses have evolved changes in which of the following? Body size, yes. Reduction in toes, yes. Tooth size and shape, yes. So D, all of these is right. Example of vestigial trait in a human is tail, yes. Appendix, yes. Wisdom tooth, yes. So D option, all of these is right. Which of these provide important data for constructing life histories? That is fossil. So B option is right. Process of gradualism was proposed by James Hutton. B option is right. When a population is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, which of the following is true? Mating is random. Option C is right. The role that humans play in artificial selection is to choose which organisms breed and which do not. So B option is right. The equation for Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium is P square plus 2pq plus q square is equal to 1. So option B is right for Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium's equation. Biological species concept depends upon dash for determining species boundaries, that is gene flow, and B option is right. A population forms a new species while geographically isolated from its parent population. It is called allopatric speciation. Thank you for watching Hussain lecture. Stay blessed. अल्लाह हाफिज़।